Mo na gihuwat kay kita ka magarlan.
Speaker.
Please be seated. To the officers, enlisted personnel, CC directors, RDC cadets, parents, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to the joint closing and opening ceremony of ROTC Summer Camp Training Military Science 3, Advanced ROTC Academic Phase Training Military Science 41 and 42, Advanced ROTC Academic Phase Training Military Science 31 and 32. Today, we'll witness the snappy performance of the ROTC cadets from the different schools under the 15th Regional Complete Advanced Group Circuman Philippine Army, and the turnover of duties and responsibilities by the outgoing class. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of the ROTC and RF band together with the Chief Adjutant.
Ang way pamahaw ang drum. Ay mga tuan mo ko rin na dahil.
Man lagi gipelukan. Sabi siya gaw kare siya.
Siguro.
Kisa pa magwanta ron mga banda nga ita.
Kuyapan.
Hadith's call has been sounded.